Hey friends, a lot of users have encountered this issue that their downloads are stuck on Chrome because it's stuck on scanning for viruses. So does Google Chrome scan for viruses? Yes. And what can you do in this case? Obviously reset Google Chrome's settings and disable extensions. But before that, you can try disabling safe browsing so that you can at least download the files. I'll show you how all of this is done with logic. Okay, so you are trying to download a file from Google Chrome. Google Chrome is scanning it for viruses. That's why it is stuck. So first of all, disable Google Chrome's antivirus. Click on these three dots here, select settings, and then search for safe browsing. Go to the security tab and scroll down and click on no protection and click on turn off. We are doing it temporarily. Wait for the files to get downloaded. Once they are downloaded, then return to standard protection. Okay. Once this is done, the second solution will be to reset Google Chrome. So open Google Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, go to reset settings in the left hand side, select restore settings to their original defaults and select reset settings. The last solution is to disable unnecessary extensions. Open Google Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, select manage extensions. If any suspicious or unnecessary extension is active, make it inactive, and if it solves a problem, then even remove it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.